definitely invested in the Laura Geller Full Touch Basics and the brushes. Absolutely loving them. I can get ready so quickly. I do keep the plastic on here because I take it with me in travel and just want to make sure everything stays close. All of it is included in one place. I like to start with the eyes, then add a little bit of my contouring. Sometimes I add blush, sometimes I don't. For every day, not often. So I like to start with the dark brown, and I go just above my creases and into the corner. It looks like a hot mess now, but it will look better. I have applied my moisturizer, so it is sticking quite well. Then I go in with my, actually I color in my, then I come in with my lightest shade. And then I use my angled blending brush and fill in any cracks that I need with the mid-tone color to make sure everything is nice and blended. That's it there. Here's my angled brush. Come in with my contouring right at the bone. That's it.